Have you ever seen a houseplant with giant, glossy leaves that looks like it belongs in a luxury resort? That's the incredible rubber plant, also known as Ficus Elastica. This plant has become one of the most popular indoor plants in the world because it's beautiful, adaptable, and surprisingly easy to care for. But here's what most people don't know. A few simple mistakes can cause leaf drop, yellowing, and slow growth. While the right care can transform your rubber plant into a lush indoor tree that steals everyone's attention. In today's video, you'll discover the secrets to growing a healthy, thriving rubber plant, from choosing the perfect location to watering, feeding, pruning, and maintaining those gorgeous, shiny leaves. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to help your Ficus Elastica grow bigger, healthier, and more beautiful than ever before. Number 1. Give your rubber plant the perfect light. Light is one of the most important factors in keeping your rubber plant healthy and vibrant. Ficus Elastica loves bright indirect sunlight. Place it near a window where it receives plenty of filtered light throughout the day. East-facing windows are often ideal because they provide gentle morning sunlight that encourages healthy growth without burning the leaves. Although rubber plants can survive in lower light conditions, they won't grow as quickly and may develop long stems with fewer leaves. Variegated varieties especially need brighter conditions to maintain their colorful patterns. Avoid placing your plant in harsh afternoon sun, especially during summer. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves and create brown, crispy patches. Rubber plants also dislike sudden environmental changes, so once you find a suitable location, try not to move them frequently. Stable lighting conditions encourage larger leaves, stronger stems, and continuous healthy growth. Number 2. Water the right way. Many rubber plants struggle because of improper watering. The biggest mistake people make is watering too often. Rubber plants prefer slightly dry conditions between waterings and dislike sitting in soggy soil. Before watering, stick your finger into the soil. If the top 1 or 2 inches feel dry, it's time to water thoroughly. Water deeply until excess moisture drains from the bottom of the pot. Always empty the saucer afterward because standing water can lead to root rot. During spring and summer, you may need to water every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your home's temperature and humidity. During winter, growth slows significantly, so your plant requires much less water. Pay attention to the leaves because they often reveal watering problems. Yellow leaves usually indicate overwatering, while drooping leaves can signal inconsistent moisture. Learning your plant's watering needs is one of the easiest ways to keep your rubber plant thriving for many years. Number 3. Use well-draining soil. Healthy roots are the foundation of a beautiful rubber plant. Ficus Elastica grows best in loose, well-draining soil that holds enough moisture for the roots, but allows excess water to escape easily. A high-quality indoor potting mix combined with perlite and orchid bark creates an ideal growing medium. The perlite improves airflow and drainage, while the bark prevents the soil from becoming compacted. Good root aeration encourages vigorous growth and reduces the risk of root diseases. Avoid using heavy garden soil in containers because it retains too much moisture and limits oxygen around the roots. Poor drainage often leads to root rot, yellow leaves, and slow growth. The right soil should feel light and airy rather than dense and muddy. Repotting your rubber plant every few years with fresh potting mix also replenishes nutrients and gives expanding roots more space to grow. Healthy roots support larger leaves and stronger overall development. Number 4. Feed for faster growth. Rubber plants benefit greatly from regular feeding during their active growing season. Nutrients provide the energy needed to produce lush foliage and steady growth. From spring through early fall, apply a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer once each month. Diluting the fertilizer to half strength helps prevent root damage while still providing essential nutrients. Nitrogen is especially important because it supports the production of large, glossy green leaves. Avoid over-fertilizing because too much fertilizer can cause leaf burn, brown edges, and salt buildup in the soil. More fertilizer does not necessarily mean faster growth. During winter, your rubber plant enters a slower growth phase and usually doesn't require feeding. Allowing the plant to rest during this period supports healthier growth when spring returns. Organic fertilizers such as worm castings or compost tea are also excellent choices. With proper feeding, your rubber plant can gradually transform from a small indoor plant into an impressive tropical centerpiece. Number 5. Prune and shape. Your plant pruning is one of the secrets to growing a fuller and more attractive rubber plant. Left alone, many rubber plants naturally grow upward as a single stem. Strategic pruning encourages branching and creates a bushier appearance. Using clean pruning shears, cut just above a leaf node. This simple technique stimulates dormant growth points and often produces multiple new branches. Pruning also helps control the plant's height and shape, making it easier to maintain indoors. Regularly remove damaged, yellowing, or dead leaves. This improves appearance and allows the plant to direct more energy toward healthy growth. The best time to prune is during spring or early summer, when the plant is actively growing and recovers quickly from trimming. Remember that rubber plants release a white sap when cut. Wear gloves if you have sensitive skin because the sap may cause irritation. With occasional pruning, your Ficus Elastica can develop into a stunning, lush indoor tree. Number 6. Keep the leaves clean and maintain humidity. One of the reasons people love rubber plants is their large, glossy leaves. Keeping those leaves clean not only makes the plant look beautiful, but also improves its health. Dust naturally accumulates on the broadleaf surfaces and can reduce the amount of light available for photosynthesis. Every few weeks, gently wipe the leaves using a soft, damp cloth. Clean leaves absorb light more efficiently and maintain their vibrant shine. Rubber plants appreciate moderate humidity levels. While they adapt well to average indoor conditions, extremely dry air may cause leaf edges to turn brown. During dry seasons, using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray with water can help increase humidity around the plant. Avoid commercial leaf shine products because they can clog the leaf surface. Simple cleaning and moderate humidity are usually all your rubber plant needs to maintain its luxurious tropical appearance year-round. The rubber plant is proof that you don't need complicated care routines to grow an impressive indoor tree. Give your Ficus Elastica bright indirect light. Water only when the soil partially dries. Use well-draining soil. Feed it during the growing season, prune it occasionally, and keep those magnificent leaves clean. With just a little attention and consistency, your rubber plant can reward you with years of stunning growth and become one of the most beautiful features in your home. The best part is that these plants often become more attractive as they mature, producing larger leaves and developing a bold, tree-like presence. If you have a rubber plant at home, let us know how long you've had it and what's been your biggest challenge. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel,